Howdy folks, I'm James Gerard McDonald. This here's a day in my life. I'm here at the beach. Look at these seagulls here just flying right above me. Look at the wind is blowing like crazy up here at the beach. Look at how the wind, look at this. Look at how they fly, man. It's just so cool. I'll stand right there with one. Here's one here, look at it. There's the acrobats and the this is how fast the wind's blowing, folks, here. It's just almost storming. Look at the ocean. This here's December 14th, 2025. It's real live. Check out these people down there just kicking it. Now we start flying bucks and whipped out like that. But dude, check this guy out. Just taking a landing right here. They just all like it. They get to kick it back together. Seagulls get along. See that? Seagulls get along with each other. Here's another one taking off. Look how awesome this is, though, folks. Just me and the seagulls out here on the beach today. Check it out. Awesome. This is as good as it gets, bro. I mean, this wind is going like 50 miles an hour. There's no joke. If you folks like my videos, like and subscribe. And support my channel. Leave comments. I'll keep making videos. Specific in December. Look at the sands, it's like Sahara sands. I'm going to leave my PayPal down below. It's the holidays, and if you feel like financially supporting me and my channel, that'd be great. LifeSworksNWSW@gmail.com. Thanks a lot, folks, and have a Merry Christmas.